Welcome to week 13. Can you believe it? We have shared with you more than 50 recipes already, close to 60 actually. This week we decided to do a week on sauces. So we'll have various sauces to go with either a vegetable, a fish, shrimp, or pork and chicken. So every day we'll make a different sauce. Today we have a fusion. Do something from Switzerland or a Swiss dish called Rösti. Rösti is a fritter, and what we'll serve that with is tofu marinated in a soy-based sauce that will include some tomatoes. So you can see it's a fusion of Swiss and Asian. The fritter or rosti we have mixed. In general, it is made from potatoes. It's parboiled, grated, salt and pepper, fried. Simple. We made it a healthier version, so we're not using potatoes. We'll be using sweet potatoes, a little bit of beet, and some carrots. We'll make it into rounds. We'll use some flour, and then we'll form it, and then we'll fry it. The tofu we have marinated in soy sauce. This time we used Tamari, which is a version of a soy sauce. Some ginger garlic paste, sesame oil. We marinated it, we put it here, we put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then we'll take it out. In the meantime, we'll cook the rosti, we'll cook the sauce. Sauce is tomato and ginger sauce with tofu and rosti. That's the dish. Let's get cooking. The first step in cooking is, so I have the rosti mix here. I drained all the water, so as little water as possible. We will put a little bit of flour, not too much, just to bind it a little bit. And then some salt and pepper. Use your hand and mix it together. I think we need a little bit more salt. Let's taste it. I think a little bit more salt will do. So we have the mixture. We'll make 4 rostis out of this. So let's break it up. So that's about 4. That's 1. That's 4 Röstis. The tofu at 400-degree oven for about 15-20 minutes. Oil is hot, so what we will do is we'll take a little bit of flour in our hands, take one of the Röstis and just dust it with a little bit of flour. Not too much, you don't need too much on both sides. Shape it and then put it in. Same thing again. Little bit of flour. I don't want to overcrowd the pan, so I'll fry 2, and then this should cook for about 5-6 minutes on one side, turn it over, and another 5-6 minutes on the other side till it's golden brown. Don't move it till it's golden. So this is cooked on both sides. So you can see a light golden color. This is red, so you can't see it properly, but so we'll put the rest of it in and then we'll cook the sauce. These are done, so we'll take it out. You can see beautiful color. And then in the same pan, we'll remove this oil and then we'll do the sauce in this. To cook the sauce, we'll lower the heat. We'll add the marinade. This is the marinade I used for the tofu. So we'll put it in. And we'll put the tomatoes in. The tofu is done, so we'll remove it from the oven. So you can see it has turned beautiful color. So let it cool a little bit. Just move it around. We'll cook the sauce. We'll let the tomatoes cook fully. Ready to plate. We have all the ingredients. We have the Rösti. We have the tofu, the sauce, and some garnishes. So I have a little bit of lemon thyme here from my garden and some sesame seeds. So again, this is a fusion, and this is a chunky tomato sauce with ginger and garlic. So it's a tomato ginger sauce. So the way that I like to present it is take a Rösti, and then take a few tofu, maybe a few more on the sides, and then some sauce right on the top. And to garnish, a little bit of sesame seed and a little bit of thyme. That's the dish. Tomato and ginger sauce. So that's the sauce for today with rösti and tofu. Hope you enjoyed it. A new version, a new way of doing things. Have a nice day, bon appetit, and see you tomorrow.